Okay, marking out tools then. Another very useful one is the marking gauge. This is the basic tool. It's nothing more really than just this sliding stock which can be held on the stem by this thumb screw. There's a sharpened pin here, you probably can't see it, but I'm sure you can look it up and look at things more closely. So you can set that to a dimension that you require, and then we just use it by just rolling it along the workpiece, and it forms a scratched line, which is vital for some of the marking out work you're going to be doing in the future. Like most things, it does come in different varieties. This is quite a good one. It's an all plastic version. At first I thought, not sure about this. It's got something of a sort of novelty about it, but it turned out it's actually very useful indeed, because it's got a marking dimensions marked out on the top there, so you can set it with ease, and it's as accurate as you could possibly need. I like that one quite a lot. Some people, I've noticed, really don't get on with marking gauges. It seems to be a tricky tool to master, so all you can really do is to get one and just practice until you feel comfortable with it. They do, however, make a slightly easier version now, which is this one here that's got, instead of a pin, it's got a disc circular blade, and it's just the same principle really. The stock that slides up and down the stem, and this one kind of rolls along, so some people find it easier. Again, I'd recommend, get your hands on one if at all possible. It's also got, again, dimensions marked on the stem here, which adds to the ease of use. So marking gauges may be a reluctant purchase, but I'd recommend you have one in your kit.